Hello, my name is Scott Molesky, and today we're talking WordArt. Our agenda for this topic: we'll talk about the applications this applies to. We'll start a WordArt. We'll edit WordArt colors. We'll add some shadow, a reflection, some perspective, and rotate our WordArt. The applications this applies to is Microsoft Office. It works in Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, yes, and Microsoft Excel, and Publisher. Even Visio. So I'm going to escape out of the PowerPoint so we can actually work inside PowerPoint itself. So we're going to start a WordArt. We're going to go up to Insert in the ribbon, and we're going to choose WordArt. I'm going to use the drop-down arrow, and it gives us a lot of different choices in what we want for the shape of our text. I'm going to choose this, and automatically it's prompting us to start our WordArt. So I'm going to type in welcome, and then I'll press F2 to make sure I have the object selected. So it's easy enough to start a WordArt. You can simply click in the WordArt and change it. Now it's welcome home. I'm going to move it over so we can work with it. If you don't like the color scheme it's currently using, we can come up here to the text fill and we can decide, I think green would be a better color. So filled it with a light green. I can change the text outline to a darker green. So now we've edited the fill color and the line color for our WordArt. I'm a big fan of adding shadow, so we'll go up to Text Effects, choose Shadow, and there's different kinds of shadow, whatever direction you want it to point. Even some down here that have a truly drop shadow. But we're going to pick just the first standard bottom right drop shadow. It gives just a little bit of depth. I'm going to come back to reflection. So let's add some perspective. We go up to Text Effects and we'll go to Transform. And we can add different kinds of effects using the transformation. Maybe put it in a circle, in a loop. There's the circle, up and down. I'm going to choose this one, the deflate. So it kind of gets skinny in the middle, wide on either end. You can add true perspective by going to Text Effects and 3D rotation. And you can give it a 3D effect that you like. I'm going to choose just a slight one. And now I'm going to talk about rotating our WordArt. It looks okay like this, but by adding a slight diagonal tilt, it makes it more dynamic. I'm also going to add that reflection. It's a text effect, reflection, and I'm going to choose the big reflection. And here we have welcome home WordArt with a reflection, some drop shadow, slightly rotated. You can actually animate this in so it flies in, so it looks all fancy in PowerPoint. That's WordArt. I'd like to thank you for watching.